this bitch hard though.
I could that dope at the crib. I keep them racks like a real. I'ma go pop me a pill. Like a screw, I'ma give her the drill. Yeah, she said she love my drill. If she bad, then I'm paying them bills. I put a cat on my lip. She give me chin like a beard. Boom, before I show up verse, and I'm coming with that line, cause I'm thugging for real. Got two dead partners, I ain't even speak on, cause I'm trying to put his mom in.
What's up, Sleep Nation? It's your boy Sleepo here, man. I'm back with another video. So we back in the D, you hear me? Just got here about 2 days ago. You know what I'm saying? Right now we in Fort Worth, we in the DFW. And it was this, I was on my IG and I seen that it was a morning meet. Now it's gonna be my first morning meet, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, damn, I gotta show up, cause I ain't been really able to give you guys like no meets because, you know, it's been cold and stuff. Like, it's kind of cold right now. It's like 40 outside. So we about to head, cause I need to get a wash. I ain't gonna lie, my car is dusty, like Voodoo so dusty. You know what I'm saying? So we about to head to this little car wash, and that's one thing about around here. Everything is like automatic. It ain't a lot of like where you can go and just spray your shit. You know what I'm saying? It's like a lot of automatic car washes. So we about to check out this little spot and see. I don't really like brushes on my car and shit, I ain't gonna lie. But, you know, we rapping it anyway, so I ain't too much tripping. But yeah, so that's where we headed right now. And then once we head there, get this little quick wash, then we'll head to the meet.
Why the fuck they envy? Bitch, I'm rocking LVs, no Balenciagas. This shit was born within me. They supposed to hate cause they can't hang around us. Why the fuck they envy? Came from wearing hand-me-down, I rock designers. Bitch say she can't stand me. I told her take a seat, little bitch, before I act up.
Came in the club dancing. Diamonds on my neck, you know that they shine brighter. I stay dripping, but I'm fancy. I see that little shawty and I think I like her. She said she tastes just like some candy. She said she wanna be my little Jolly Rancher. I dove in it.
Everything alright? Is there a reason you're recording me?
This Tropicana. You know I keep my 30 on me. Boy, you better think twice and try not to run up. It's gonna be blood on your white tee. When I'm empty and my clip is clapping like some thunder. If you see me and I'm
Alright, let's see. Did we at least get some clean? Okay, we got a little clean. Not as clean as we want it to be. We got a little clean though. Yeah, we'll work. It'll work. Knocked out some of that gold that was on there. Yeah. I see some dirt around the Hellcat logo, but yeah, we alright. I had to turn the camera off a little bit earlier because the dude was like, is it a reason you recording me? Like, bro, we're in 2023. Like, you know, how many YouTubers is it in the world now? You know? I guess he thought I was trying to record him and turn him in or whatever his case or whatever he thought. But nah, brother. I'm a YouTuber. You know? So I'm vlogging, man. But yeah, so we about to head down to the meet now and shit, you know, see what type of stuff is out there. So once we get there, I'm gonna turn you guys back on, you heard? Hell yeah.
Why is the car making so much noise?
It's my first time seeing under Shelby.
Carolina game.
I got you.
Dude, it sounds so good.
I got you.
Damn, that's hard. Supercharged. Got that big, what's that, JLT? Yeah. Well, as you can see, we is here at the meet. It's a little smaller than I thought. Not that many cars out here. Do got like a few good cars and shit, but it's not as many as I would like. But people still pulling up. The meet started an hour ago. It's 12:19. It started like 11. So we just gonna chill a little bit until more people come, and then I'll take some you know, some content of the cars and shit like that. But yeah, we just gonna thug for a little bit till everybody pull up. They say this motherfucker kind of fast. He gutted. He gutted like a motherfucker. I don't know. There's only one way to find out. But I always admire project cars, bro. That's why I want to build a car. I'm not sure what I want to build, bro, because I've been back and forth between a 5.0, but the older 5.0, or a Shelby. But I want like the 11 through 14 5.0 or Shelby. Like this body style, that motherfucker nice and shit, but I don't know. I just like that older body style, like this one right here, like that blue one. That's a 5.0, and then that red one over there is a Shelby. Like I like that body style. No lie, this bitch hard though. This bitch super hard. See, if I was to get this body style, it would be the GT500 front grille and everything. I like the hood, the wheels. I like everything about this car right here. And I'm not even a big Mustang fan, but this bitch hard, no lie. This bitch tough. Yeah, this bitch tough. This one pretty nice. I like that gray. You popping, my boy. I like this gray though. With the little red just a little red. You know what I'm saying? A little detail. Like the little detail on it. Them wheels nice though. I don't know what type of wheels them is, but the wheels pretty nice. This bitch hard too. Yeah, that bitch hard. So. Another 5.0. This looks stock. This bitch, I like that color. Same color as the scat. I remember y'all remember when the scat was this color? Yeah. Can't go wrong with that color though. That color hard. For sure. Okay, he got some meaties. Okay, street comps on the back. I see. Yeah. Yeah, this 5.0 pretty nice. Y'all seen brother shit. Brother shit nice. If I was to get one, it'll be one of these, like one of these two models, either the Shelby or the 5.0. I'd rather the Shelby, because I feel like the Shelby is kind of like, before all the demon and shit, I would say the Shelby is the hellcat, and then the 5.0 is the scat pack. But yeah, this bitch hard. The wheels and everything. This bitch tough. Shelby on the back. Yeah, that's hard. Please be patient, student driver. I need to get one of them. But yeah, it's the meat picking up, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? It's a few people. Not as many people as I thought, but it's a few people out here. So we're gonna wait a little longer so we can get some other shit. Obviously, nation. So I guess no other really people. No people really showed up after that. So I decided to just come back to the telly for a minute. It's supposed to be a meet tonight. I'm not really just show. I'm gonna look on the app because homie had gave me an app It's called Park Up Front.
This car kinda nice, but I want a vet. Gave her a kiss and I grabbed on the neck.
Oh, I thought it was RT. Yeah, it's called Park Up Front. Kind of look like that. Pretty lit. Looks pretty legit. I guess. You can see what events is coming up. Let me see. Yeah, you can see what type of events is coming up, and you can decide like if you want to go, like car meets, car shows, all type of shit. So it's pretty legit though. You know what I'm saying? It's like regular social media type shit, kind of like Instagram, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna look and see if we can get some meats for later tonight, cause that meat, you know, it was cool, but it was too little people. I need more people, you know what I'm saying? I want to give you guys content that y'all enjoy. So it's still early. It's only 1:17, so we got all day. So, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna be out in the city and shit like that. So yo, pop up meet tonight. Got a bunch of trucks that want to have one. So somebody just hit me up, Colton Jones. I don't know who that is. But yeah. So yeah, but I'm gonna give you guys some more content later, bro, and that's throughout the day and shit like that. But yeah, you already know what's if you at this point in the video right now, make sure you drop a comment right now. Drop a comment, like, subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe, you hear me? Because you know, like this YouTube shit is all about, you know what I'm saying, subscribing and like showing love. You know what I'm saying? That's the only way that us YouTubers can, you know what I'm saying, get the recognition we want and need as YouTubers. So I appreciate you if you subscribe, like, and comment, you hear me? But yeah, I'm gonna turn you guys on in a minute. What's good, Sleep Nation? You hear me? It's your boy Sleepo. This is the next day type shit. I thought I had to end this video there because I thought I was gonna go to another meet at the end of the night, but I ended up getting caught up in some business stuff because like y'all know, or if you don't know, I am an artist. So you know what I'm saying, I be having like music shit going on while I'm in out there in the DFW too. So I got caught up in some shit. So you know what I'm saying, I ain't get to go to no more meets and shit, but we locked in though with this app that I was showing y'all. We super locked in with this app. But I'm currently on the way to the crib, you hear me? I just gassed up, you know what I'm saying, and left the telly a little bit ago. So currently on the highway and shit, about to ride this little ride, you know what I'm saying, gonna get it over with. But I just wanted to let y'all know that why I ain't filmed no more last night or whatever. But yeah, I got a big announcement, bro. Big announcement. It's gonna come this upcoming week. It's gonna be a lot of lit shit within the next week, for real. So just stay tuned and continue rocking with your boy. I love you guys. Y'all already know what's Sleep Nation forever. And if you a new subscriber and you watching this, I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing to the kid. You know, in order for YouTube and for YouTubers to like get bigger, you know what I'm saying, it's all about showing love. It costs nothing to click the subscribe button and just subscribe. It costs nothing to drop a comment and say, drop a fire emoji or that's what's up, or fuck, drop anything, and it don't cost nothing to like the video. You know what I'm saying? If you share it, I appreciate you. If you don't, it's still straight. All I ask is that you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Like and drop a comment. But yeah, so I'ma just gonna run this highway down and you hear me? The next video gonna be lit. I'm telling you, I want to see the next video. But I love you guys. You already know what's Sleep Nation forever. Do not sleep on us. Okay?
say she want a molly, so I gave that hoe a perk. Made her bend it over, she said she like how it hurt. She saw me with a stack and asked how much I make.
How you be having so much money?
Shut up, bitch, and go to work. She say she want a molly, so I fucked her on a perk. Made her bend it over, she said she like how it hurt. Yeah, she saw me with a stack and asked how much I make.
How you be having so much money?
Shut up, bitch, and go to work. Let me introduce myself, they call me Sleepo, baby. The type to break a bitch for every dollar, fuck her later. I'm guessing that's the reason why I gave so many haters. She all about a check, yeah, my bitch about a paper. Just put off the lot in the sky, who want the smoke? My bitch ain't got no license, I let Candy drive the boat. I can't get caught lacking, so I rhyme on with the pole. My blooders ain't no molly, but they always on go.